Hello friends, in this part 1 short tutorial, I am going to show you how to hard reset or factory reset Tecno Spark 8C. Turn off the device, hold down power and volume down button for 3 seconds. Once the Tecno logo appear, release your finger from the power button and keep pressing volume down button. In the recovery screen, use the volume up and down button to select recovery options and power button to accept the selected option. Use the volume down button, scroll down. Select the option wipe data or factory reset. Press the power button to accept the selected option. In the wipe data warning message screen, press the volume down button and select factory data reset and press the power button to accept. Wiping data. Yep, data reset successful. Now select the reboot option and press power button to accept. So friends, like and subscribe for part 2, how to bypass Google account.